Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the trip that you have booked on the Iberia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the book or my trips button down below, which is the third option. After that you should type in your surname, and then your booking code or ticket number should be typed in, and then you can tap on the find booking button and your booking will appear here if you have typed it in correctly. So you can check out your flights, seats, luggage, and any information that's relevant to your booking. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.